if you're looking to incorporate your form into your website or blog and not have it hosted on MailChimp's website, then general forms may not be for you. You'd probably be looking to do embedded forms. So go ahead and click here. So embedded forms are going to allow you to design your form, and what it's going to do is as you change the form, it's going to generate this code, which you could copy. Oops, accidentally pasted there. Let's go back. So what it's going to allow you to do is generate this code, which you could copy here by just clicking on it. It'll highlight everything. And then you'd be able to put that into your actual website where you'd like this form to show up. And a lot of people, I think, are going to find this very useful, especially if they've already built a website up or a blog. So when you're designing your embeddable or forms that you will embed into your website or blog, you can include the form title, as you can see, subscribe to our mailing list. You don't need to include it. Maybe you have that design already incorporated into your website. So that's up to you. And you could title it anything you want. So sign up, for example. Oops. And you'll see that it'll change here. Also, you could do show only required fields. See, or you could do show all fields. Now, by making it required, it is going to be just the email because that's what we required in our form builder. And if you want to change that, you can actually edit required fields in the form builder. So you could click here and then you can actually edit which fields are going to be required and which are not. That's the same form builder that we were just in before for the form that's hosted with MailChimp. So by doing all fields, you're going to include the entire form that you have over there. And you can also show interest group fields, show required field indicators, and show format options if you'd like. And that's up to you, how you'd like your form to look. You can also determine the form width, or what you could do if you want to just keep it simple, you can make it super slim up here, horizontal, and then you could also make it naked. So it looks like this without any real design to it. And also in advance, you could do custom CSS, create hidden fields and API stuff, but most people are not going to be utilizing that. And if that's not the case, then your best bets are really to be utilizing these and then editing it in the form builder. So you can also enhance your form by disabling all JavaScript or including an archive link. And you can include your monkey rewards link in there and that will be embedded too. I don't see a lot of people wanting to do that. You can see it adds it right here. So it's probably not what you want if you're embedding it on your website, but it is an option. So it's the same kind of idea as creating your form like what we went over in the last section, but this one, just the difference basically is instead of it being hosted on MailChimp, you're going to get the code and you're going to be able to embed it in your website or blog, and then it'll work in that way, which is a lot better and more streamlined in many situations, especially if you wanted to just be on your website.